Hi, this cobot welding demo is going to show some increased productivity and quality of welds, and there's always increased job satisfaction with the cobot. We have a modular tooling table that comes standard with our cobot offering. These are just some of the welds we made. I mean, they were just perfect right out of the gates, first try. We say welding skill is not required because the person that programs and runs the robot just needs to be conscientious, not a trained, skilled welder. Program, especially this part, was very easy. It took me about 15 minutes to write the program, and we were welding. Did not do a time study, but I estimated some typical travel speed improvements that we could see with the cobot. These numbers are just estimates so that we could put a stake in the ground and look at some calculations. And efficiencies, this is for welding efficiencies, and those would be just typical. And there's a lot of different ways to do these numbers. But you run these numbers, and I counted parts, and just to make an example of the kind of savings we can get, this is what we would see if the cobot had been running this stack of parts. Just hypothetical, just to pique everyone's interest. We'd be happy to be involved in a time study with you guys.